Mine's Mr.
5th grade Excel, lesson 123, determining negative numbers using coordinate points. We're going to be looking at the 4-quadrant graph, 4-quadrant grid right now. Can you guys handle this?
Yes.
Okay, and I see, oh, we have a studio audience. Here they are, say hello.
Hello!
Yep, and they're going to help us with this. Up to this point in the year, we have been working in the upper right quadrant, quadrant number 1. That's right here. It's the only place that we've been putting points, which contains only positive numbers. Positive numbers are greater than 0. So we have positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only positive numbers for that quadrant. There are 3 other quadrants. These quadrants involve negative numbers. Negative numbers are numbers less than 0. 0 is considered a whole number, but is neither positive nor negative. All right, so this has some negative numbers in it, negative numbers here, and negative numbers here. This is quadrant 1. Quadrant 2 is here. Quadrant 3 is right here. A lot of times they're written as Roman numerals, and quadrant 4 is down here. Now, how are you going to remember that? Well, quadrant 1 is obviously the first one that we learned about. Then the question is, which direction are you going to go around to get to the 4 quadrants? Well, the next one is quadrant 2 right over here to the left, and then quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. However you remember that, I don't know. Do you guys have a good way to remember that, or you just seen it so many? I'm sorry? Counterclockwise. Yeah, it goes counterclockwise around.
I don't need them.
All right, let's see if we can find some points on this 4-quadrant grid. Identify the coordinates for each point on the coordinate grid. So point A is right here. And we always start right in the middle at 0. And we're going to move this way or this way along the x-axis with our first number. So to get to A, you're going to come along here to that point right there, and then you're going to go up to get to that point. Now, you don't draw a line on there. I'm just showing you where my eyes are going. My eyes start at the 0. They come along here to what number, everybody?
6. Negative 6.
Negative 6. Good. And then they go up to the A. And what's that number that I went up?
Positive 2.
Positive 2. So A is at negative 6, positive 2. Alrighty, you go ahead and try just letter B, then turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solution. Let me erase. I've already done on there. And to get to B, help me out here, everybody. We're starting right in the middle. And we're going to go to what?
Negative 4.
Negative 4, and then?
Positive 3.
Positive 3. You should have written negative 4, positive 3 on your answer. Okay, pause the video and try letter C. And the solution is, what do we do first?
Positive 2.
Positive 2.
5.
Positive 5. These are both positives. You don't really need to put the plus sign on there, but I'm doing that just to make sure you know which one it is. Okay, pause the video, do D, E, and F. All 3 of these right now, and then turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. Okay, help me out here. D, starting here, what do I go to first?
Positive 4.
Positive 4.
Positive 2.
Positive 2. See how easy that is? As long as you go along this line first, you're going to be able to get these right. Okay, E, where is E found? Positive 6. Negative 2. We're going down there. Positive 6, negative 2. Notice we're going over in the positive direction, and then when you go down, of course, that's going to be negative, because I'm sure in your mind you know that up would be positive and down would be negative. F, how far over do I go for F?
Positive 3.
Positive 3.
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Oh, you guys are so smart. All right, now go ahead, pause the video, do 7, 8, and 9. Turn it back on when you're ready for the solutions. Okay, how do I get to G? I'm starting here.
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 3.
Negative 3, good. Negative 2, negative 3. How about H? How do I get there?
Negative 6.
5, right?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Negative 5, negative 4 is where H is. What about L?
Negative 6. Negative 2.
Negative 6, negative 2 is correct. All right, and that's it. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Oh, we got some artists coming.
Bumpy hair.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Those are some great looking pictures you made.